Yes. Okay, let me quickly, in fact, take our viewers now through milestone number 94 that has also come in this year. Again, overall, from the Union Budget 2024, that allocated actually this year 3 lakh crore rupees for women schemes of the central government. So, a big outlay, of course, this year by a woman finance minister, Nirmala Sitharaman. Of course, Mudra loans amount also doubling. Also, of course, the central government setting up working women hostels as well. And also, in fact, the Ministry of Women and Child Development budget increasing as well by a significant percentage. And of course, 12% of their estimated expenditure was allocated to Mission Shakti by the Women and Child Development Ministry. So, big amount being allocated for women schemes by the central government, Joyita Basu, as I said earlier, interestingly, by a woman finance minister.
Well, while the woman finance minister bit is important, but let's not forget that right from the time the Narendra Modi government has come to power in 2014, special attention has been given to women. It is not just about financial, in terms of social inclusion as well. If you look at, say, for example, removing the triple talaq, it was such an important scheme for Muslim women. So, I mean, then it is this government that has also ensured, I mean, at least got the bill passed, 33% reservation for women in parliament and any elected body, legislatures all across the country. Now, so you see, the focus has always been women, but to tap women's potential in terms of their as an entrepreneur. You know, when you're looking at the Mudra loans, for example, I mean, anecdotal evidence suggests that all these loans are, I mean, range from are often inside 20,000. Okay, now with this small amount, people might wonder what can women do. But again, here I would bring in the example of Lakpati Didi by saying when they were given that skill, now when they are given a particular training with this 20,000 as starting the capital, the seed capital, women can do a lot. Even making pickle and selling it and earning money for herself and her family. That also, you know, these Mudra loans have facilitated. And they are the people who always return. Women are very particular in these matters. They will always return the money, you know, whatever with interest, whatever they take as loan. So, you see, so this is at the same time very, very I would say it is about a holistic development of a woman. And now, at the same, what happens is that when you are giving them, say, for example, cooking gas, when you are giving them maybe the water tap connection, when you are giving her a pakka house, you create
Yes.
the complete ecosystem. And that is how you empower her family, and that
Absolutely. So
automatically society.
the ramifications of every decision taken.